Come take a stroll in the park. Park West has just what you're looking for. Park West is located in San Bernardino County in the beautiful city of Chino, which was voted the top 100 best cities to live in for young people. You will have easy access to 6 major freeways and over 20 public and private colleges and universities, such as Cal Poly Pomona, Claremont McKenna College, and Mount San Antonio College. You can visit major recreational parks and fantastic entertainment close by. There are also great shops and restaurants for whatever it is you may be in the mood for. Park West features 2 sparkling swimming pools and spas for our residents, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and a business center with 3 computers. For our smaller residents, we have a children's playground and tot lot. Our private access gate to Monte Vista Park is a big hit with kids of all ages that include a water park and many summer activities to enjoy. We frequently host resident social events geared for all ages. Invite your friends and family over for a barbecue. Or you can reserve our cozy clubhouse for special occasions and gatherings after hours. Spacious kitchens come equipped with granite-inspired countertops and a full-length bar overlooking your living quarters. Your choice of 3 color options for inviting accent walls will make for a comfortable and cozy atmosphere. Both the 2 and 3 bedrooms offer spacious wall-to-wall closets. After a long day, step out on your patio and unwind. You'll love coming home. The perfect location, amenities galore, all in a park-like setting. All this can be yours at Park West.